Okay, so what is marketing and social management? So first, I will discuss what is marketing. So marketing involves promoting and selling products or services through strategies like advertising, content creation, market research, and customer engagement to build brand awareness and drive sales. And then next is social media management. So, media management focuses on managing a brand presence on social platforms by creating content, engagement with followers, scheduling posts, and analyzing performance to build an online community and enhance brand visibility. So, we have 4 points to build a killer social media marketing strategy. So, first, we have choosing the right social media platforms. And then the second is determine your target audience. And then the third one is timing is crucial. And then the last one is metrics. So, what is the benefits of social media marketing? So, first is increase brand awareness, so reaches a larger audience and boost visibility across platforms. And then the second one is better customer engagement, so allows direct interaction with customers, building a stronger relationships. So the third one is cost effective, so more affordable than traditional marketing with high return on investment. The fourth one is targeted advertising, so enables precise targeting based on demographics and interest for effective campaigns. The fifth one is more website traffic, so sharing content and links drive visitors to your site. And then the last one is enhance brand authority. So consistent content and engagement build trust.